beautiful Korean succulents. These are just a few of Sisa's collections. Welcome to this private cacti and succulent garden located in Bacolod City. This garden is well maintained and with a very relaxing atmosphere. The first time I saw this garden was in the evening. I was beyond thrilled when I saw this beautiful collection of succulents. What an amazing collection! The lights in the evening cannot capture the beauty of these plants. Sisa and Richie own a construction company, and running their business always makes them so busy. But with the 2020 lockdown, due to the pandemic, many things have changed. With no choice but to stay at home, they felt bored after a few months. Their newfound hobby helped them to relax and enjoy staying at home. Richie found a new hobby of growing bonsai and koi fish, while Sisa fell in love with succulents. Look at her beautiful collection of Korean succulents. She has them in miniatures, variegated, crested, and clusters. They are displayed beautifully in pots mostly made of clay. She also has this box filled with different species of succulents. And since these plants are fully adjusted to their environment, they don't mind being outside the greenhouse. In fact, it looks like they love it here. Some leaves just fall off and propagate by itself. Growing succulents in the Philippines is very challenging. We have two seasons here, the wet and dry seasons. The wet or rainy season starts from June to the early part of October. We know that too much water is not suitable for succulents, so these two greenhouses were installed to protect these plants from too much rain. Our summer or dry season starts from the later part of October to May. Unfortunately, it can also get so hot and humid here during summer, and the warm temperature combined with high humidity can slowly steam these succulents to death. But Sisa is so serious about this hobby. That's why she is ready. She installed fans to provide good air circulation when needed. And her greenhouse is equipped with grow lights too. This is Renel. He helps maintain this succulent garden, and his favorite tool in maintaining these delicate plants is this tweezer for succulents. So if you are into succulents and do not have this, you should check it out. It is available on Amazon USA and on our website. And the good news is, this tool is going to be available in the Philippines soon, as well as my book, Water Me Next Week, A Succulents Plea. So now, let me show you more succulents collected by Sisa. And thank you, Sisa and Richie, for sharing your beautiful garden with us. Enjoy the tour, guys!
Overhead ang light.
Actually, sa piyak na mo damo, pag isa ako.
Oo, dito sa